Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Read Stories and Learn. So today we will be reading about two boys and injured bird. In a small village nestled among rolling hills, two close friends, Raju and Rohan, set out on a sunny day, their laughter echoing in the air. When they were walking beside the pond, they saw a tiny creature at the edge of the calm pond, trapped in a cruel trap, calling for help. With determination on their faces, the friends came together to provide the girl a helping hand. It took longer time, but they did not give up and were able to rescue the trap. But unfortunately, the bird got an injury and the wings of the bird were harmed. Raju and Rohan's eyes were filled with sadness for their mistake. However, they were comforted by the presence of Grandpa Singh, a respected elder who used to tell stories of the past under the shade of the ancient banyan tree. Grandpa Singh taught them the lesson of kindness and empathy and asked them to take care of the bird until it recovers the injury. The two boys took complete care of the bird. Days passed and the bird slowly recovered from the injury. So friends, from this story, we learned a lesson that we should always be kind to others and we should always help others whenever we can. Thank you so much for watching this story and please do consider to subscribe my channel. Read stories and learn.